Good morning class 8 student. This is your math workbook and I hope you all are well and doing your continuous study. So do your work complete in your workbook and notebook also and send PDF for correction. As soon you will get the corrections PDF. So in previous video we have done 8.4. Now we will start 8.5. This is very short type answer questions and it has 1 marks. So now first is find the ratio of the speed of cycle 15 km per hour to speed of scooter 30 km per hour. So speed of cycle upon speed of scooter 15 km per hour upon 30 km per hour. So we cancel 30 from 15 2 times, so 1 upon 2. So 1:2 is given. Question number second, find the ratio of 50 paise to 5 rupees. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. So ratio of 50 paise to 5 rupees. So 50 upon 500, 1:10. We cancel 500 from 50 10 times. So 1:10 is answer. Convert the ratio 3:4 into percentage. So 3:4 we write in fraction form 3 upon 4. To find the percentage, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 100. We cancel 100 to 4 times. To 4 25 times. So 3 multiplied 25 is 75%. Question number 4. If 23% of x is 46, then find x. So 23% of x is equal to 46. 23 upon 100 multiply x is equal to 46. Now we separate the value. X is equal to 116 multiply 100 upon 23. So we cancel 46 from 23 2 times and 2 multiply 100 is 200. The value of x is 200. Now question number 6. Find 7 whole 1 upon 2 percentage of 2400. So 7 whole 1 upon 2 we can convert into mixed fraction to improper fraction. 15 upon 2 percentage of 2400. So 15 upon 2 multiply 100. So 200 cancel to 12 times. So 15 multiplied 12 is equal to 180. Now question number 7. 2 times a number is 100% increase in the number. If we take half the number, what would be the decrease? So let the number be x, then half of number x upon 2. So percentage of decrement x minus x upon 2 upon x multiplied by 100. So that is a formula. Is original value and after decrease value. So 2x minus 2 upon 2x. We solve x minus x upon 2. So x upon 2x multiply 100. We cancel x to x and 100 from 2 50 times. So 50% is answer. Question number 8. Find discount is MP. Mark price is 550 and selling price SP is 495. So MP is equal to 550, SP is equal to 495. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. So 550 minus 495, 55 is answer. Question number 9. Find the rate of discount if MP is equal to 1250 and discount is equal to 75. So rate of discount is equal to discount upon MP multiply 100. This is the formula. And discount is 75 upon 1250 is MP multiply 100. After calculate we got 6%. Question number 10. Find the discount if there are two parts of that questions. MP is equal to 1500, SP is equal to 1200. So 1500 and 1200, MP and SP, discount is equal to MP minus SP. So 1500 minus 1200 is equal to 300 is answer. Now B part, MP is equal to 1300, SP is equal to 1235. So again discount is equal to MP minus SP. 1300 minus 1235. After subtraction 65 is answer. Question number 11. Find the amount of discount if MP is equal to 2300 and discount rate is 20%. So discount rate is equal to discount upon MP multiply 100. That is formula. So discount rate is given. Now we find the discount. So 20 is equal to discount upon 2300 multiply 100. Now separate the value. So discount is equal to 20 multiply 2300 upon 100. We write in next side in multiply and write 100 to divide. So we cancel 300 from 100 3 times. So 20 multiply 23 upon 46 460 is answer. So question number 12, last question of this worksheet. Find the amount when rupees 1000 is taken for 1%, 1 upon 2 years at 10% per annum, compound half yearly. So student, principal is 1000, time is equal to 1.5 year, so 3 half year. Here is compound half yearly. Rate is equal to 10% per annum, so for half yearly 5%. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 की power n. So 1000 1 plus 5 upon 100 की power 3. Now calculate 1000 multiply 105 upon 100 की power 3. So multiply 3 times 105 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 5 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 5 upon 100. So after calculation we got 1157.625 rupees. So worksheet 8.5 also done. In next video we will start 6.6 8.6.